Bonjour, mon nom est Montagny Gilbert, un passionné de la cuisine.
Hello to everybody! Today we are going to do something very light and special. We are going to do a tuna fish, a fresh tuna fish, a blue tuna. And we are going to do it in a Japanese style. It means very rare because a well done tuna is horrific. So it should be very, very rare. And to do it very rare, we are doing in a special way. We don't use any pan. Aujourd'hui, on va faire un filet de thon, un thon bleu tout frais. Et puis ça, on va faire à une méthode japonaise, c'est-à-dire bleu, presque cru. Parce qu'un tuna qui est bien cuit, il gave. Et puis c'est horrible. Donc, on va le faire d'une manière différente, même pas besoin d'une poêle. Vous allez voir ça. Alors, for this we need tuna, 2 slices of 100 grams, 2 tranches de 100 grammes de tuna bleu, persil, du persil, and we need tomato, datai tomato, 1 garlic, 1 onion, a little rosemary, and a red chili. That's all. Now we need 2 plates. We put it in the oven. And we put it in 200 degrees. We let it 10 minutes. It should be very, very hot because we are going to put the tuna on the hot plate. Alors, il nous faut 2 assiettes qu'on met au four à 200 degrés pendant 10 minutes parce qu'on veut une assiette bouillante. The persil, we chop the persil. On coupe le persil très fin. Et voilà. On le met de côté. On coupe l'ail. On le coupe très 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 fin. Et on prend les tomates d'ateille qu'on va couper en petits cubes. Les meilleures tomates du monde. There's on a sweet taste. Amazing. Et voilà, les tomates, we put it in a small jar, petite écuelle, l'ail aussi, on met un peu d'huile d'olive, un peu de poivre, un peu de sel. Maintenant, on ajoute le persil. We put some parsley inside. And a little marjolaine. And after a little chili, I take only the half one. That's enough. Voilà. Now we are going to assaisonning the tuna. So, pepper. I don't put any salt because at least I will make fleur de sel. And olive oil. l'assiette du four. Very, very hot. We put the tuna on it. And we let it 10 seconds, cook a little. You look. After we turn it, and it finished to cook the other side, now we put it, our special ingredient, the tomato with garlic, with parsley, the tomate concassée à l'ail. Fleur de sel, parce qu'on n'a pas salé, because we didn't salt it, and we make only pepper. And after, olive oil on it. Voila. And at least we put a little lemon zest on it. Et voilà, that's all. Ooh, very hot. Ça, c'est la manière de manger du thon. This is the way you have to eat tuna. It should be very rare. Look at that. So good. The plate should be very, very hot. So the tuna will cook on it. L'assiette doit être très chaude, comme ça le tuna cuit dessus. Voilà. Vous voyez, il doit être bleu, should be very rare. And after, the ingredient on it, you know, a little chili, the fresh datay tomatoes with a little garlic and little majoran on it, virgin olive oil, fleur de sel. That's amazing. So good, so light, so healthy. It's the best tuna you can eat. And very easy to do. No need kitchen, no need pan, only oven and hot plates. And don't forget to subscribe and, very important, to share the plate to all your friends. Thank you. See you tomorrow. So good. Wow. Ooh, very hot.